All right, so today we're going to be doing a review and on foot of the Off-White Jordan 5s. But before we get into that, make sure to like and subscribe. And we're also going to be doing this new thing on the channel called Song of the Week. I'm going to be picking my most listened to song that week, or just a song that I think is like underrated and just you guys need to hear it. And the first song I'm going to be picking is Fuck Love featuring X and Trippy. This is by far my favorite song of all time. You can really hear like the pain and emotion in their voice. And it's just an amazing song. You guys should really go check it out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have much else to say about it. Just go listen to it. It's awesome. You won't regret it. But yeah, let's get into the review. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. All right, I've already looked at these shoes. I've taken them out. I have not tried them on, and I got a size 9. And I saw a couple of videos on it, and they said to go half a size down because they fit big, especially because there isn't that much padding. So I'll let you guys know how that turns out. But yeah, Nike, or not Nike Air, the Jumpman on the front. And what I was curious about when I was looking at other videos, I wanted to see if I could stick my finger through here, and you can't. That might sound kind of weird, but like I was just curious. And no, you can't, except for these you can, like, see. So on the ones on the side you can, and these you can't, which I guess makes sense because, you know. But yeah, this box is crazy though. Jumpman Air. And yeah, let's take a look at the shoes. I got these from GOAT stamp. As you can see, the little plastic around it. There's no plastic on any of those though. And yeah, this is the paper that it comes in. Nice see-through. It says Off-White, and oh, that's all it says. Here, you guys could take a better look at it. It's just all around with the Jumpman. And these are the shoes. Let me take them out. Put them on the side. And as you can see, I got them from GOAT. I paid around $700 for them, I think. Forgot how much I paid exactly. It comes with red, white, and black laces. I actually already put on the white laces because I really wanted to see how they look with it. And this is actually how Michael Jordan wore them when he played with them on. Or not these exact ones. They're based off of the metallic 5s, but we'll get into that in a second. Yeah, so shoelaces. We got the little Off-White tag, 2020 zip tie, and we got the lace tags, or lace locks, I think they're called. As you can see, they are like, it's weird. They look like they're dirty, which I guess is like the whole point of the shoe. I'll get into that in a second. But yeah, they look like they're dirty. I personally take them off because I don't really like how they look, unless you put like the little red thing right here. That might look fine. But yeah, I don't really keep them on any shoe. But yeah, let's get into the sneakers. Alright, so this is how they look with the white laces. I love how they look in the white laces, personally. And these are fucking crazy. Alright, the first thing I noticed at least was the hole through here. This is sick. Alright, I'm gonna be real with you. I hate this material. It's like very scratchy and like a little netting material. And I don't like it at all. As you can see, there's like a chunk missing that's supposed to be like a hole, like the boxes, like kind of like this. And these shoes don't even look like real shoes. They look like a painting. I always say that shoes is like a form of art, and these prove my point. They're fucking crazy. They want it to look like aged and like how they've been used, so that's why it has like the yellow midsole. I know a lot of people aren't a fan of that. I think it's okay. I don't really have anything wrong with it. I'm neutral on it. I don't really care too much. Shoelaces again. They have the little holes. A lot of people actually cut the holes out. I think it was Mr. Fomer Simpson on YouTube that did that. Me personally, I don't like it. I'm not going to cut the holes out because I don't know. I just don't like it. There you go. You can't really see it too much. It says Nike, the usual Off-White stuff on there. As you can see also, there's no padding on the inside. Yo, I totally just dropped the shoe. There's no like padding or anything on the inside. which probably is why a lot of people went down half a size. We got the little Jordan brand thing that always comes in shoes. There's no padding on this as well. Oh, that's cool how they like cut it out. Air Jordan. Let's look at the other shoe. Air Jordan. Nike Air on the back, which is an amazing touch. If they would have put the Jumpman, I don't think it would have looked as good. They also have the little 23 on the back, which looks amazing. What I want to see, I'm sure somebody has done it. Somebody like cut out like all the netting. That would look probably, I don't know how it would look actually. Probably wouldn't look too good because these shoes are amazing, man. If you could pick these up for a good price, I would 100% get them. I think they look awesome with the white laces. They may look okay with the red ones, and they come default with the black ones, but obviously I switched them out because I don't really like it. I don't know if you can tell, but like it looks like the netting is like a little bit like worn out, kind of like used. The yellow bubble. Bro, these shoes are crazy. I highly recommend getting these if you got them. If you got these for retail, you are fucking lucky. I did not get these for retail. I was trying. I signed up for like a lot of raffles for them and I did not get them. But yeah, let's just take a look one more time. I love how it looks from the back too. Pause. It looks fucking sick. That 23, amazing touch. These were designed by Virgil Abloh. If you don't know, he's the creator of Off-White. All right, let's take a look at them on feet now. All right, so this is how it looks like when you're sitting down. I'm just wearing regular American Eagle jeans, if you guys are wondering. And I like how they look. They look fucking sick. You can't really notice the, what's it called? The yellowed bottom too much. What you can see is kind of like a little yellow on the netting, but it looks okay. Again, I hate the material. This feels like it's going to crease up very badly. Hopefully it doesn't. I could be wrong. I don't know. But yeah, let's take a look at them while I'm standing up. I wore red socks so you can see that it's see-through. With the yellow, or not yellow laces, with the white laces, this looks amazing. There. I love how that 23 looks with the see-through circle. And yeah, these shoes are fucking sick. I highly recommend getting them. 23 shoelaces. Looks fucking amazing. So yeah, this is how you see them when you're like sitting down, which is probably what you guys are doing now because we're all inside. I don't really like the tongue because it's like really thin, but hey man, like I can't do anything about it, you know, it looks fine. Oh yeah, this is reflective, by the way, in case you guys didn't know. I wouldn't wear red socks, I only put these on for the review, but if you're into that, you can make them look a little bit more crazy. And yeah, I don't really have much to say. They go for around $700, $750, $800 in my size. I'm a size 9. I see why some people said go down half a size. Me personally, I have kind of wide feet, so I'm glad I didn't. I have a lot of room here, and it feels fine. Like, I'm so glad I didn't go down half a size. But yeah, that was the on feet. They look amazing. Highly recommend getting these. One more look on the side. But yeah, if you liked the video, let me know what you guys think about the kicks. Make sure to like, subscribe, and, you know, let me know what you think about them. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it.